sick is something that we are all concerned about these days. If you get a headache, backache, stomachache, tingling or numbness in your hands and feet, or even feel tired, you start to panic. So to help keep you from getting sick, you need to bulletproof your immune system and your gut, because a weak gut or immune system will invite trouble into your body. So here is a recipe for a powerful tonic that can bulletproof your body. Cucumbers are composed of about 96% water. They're loaded with minerals and vitamins, and they're rich in antioxidants such as flavonoids and tannins, and studies show that it may reduce the risk of chronic disease. Ginger. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger make it extremely beneficial for the brain and your digestive system. Red bell pepper contains more than 200% of your daily vitamin C intake, and studies show that vitamin C is a powerhouse for protecting your body. Lemon is loaded with vitamin C and fiber and helps to prevent digestive issues. Apple cider vinegar has been used for centuries for health and has amazing antibacterial properties. Turmeric. The active compound curcumin has been scientifically proven to reduce the risk of chronic disease. And we're going to add a pinch of black pepper. The piperine in black pepper is a potent antioxidant and has powerful absorption and anti-inflammatory properties. This tonic is so powerful that you only need a shot glass full, one in the morning and maybe one in the evening.